Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming for you a look on Taylor Swift's makeup that she wore to the iHeart Radio Awards. So for this look she wore a blue winged liner. It was kind of like a royal blue, and then she wore like a pink lip color. So I thought that would be a really cool look to film. So let's get started. So the first thing I'll be doing is priming my eyelids using my NYX Skintone Eyelid Primer. So the palette that I'll be using for this look is my Rainforest of the Sea Volume 2 palette from Tarte. So the color that I'll be starting off with is this color right here in the palette, and it's just a really nice beige color. The color is called Conch, and I'm just going to use that all over my lid to even the skin tone. So for this look, Taylor Swift didn't really wear a lot of makeup on the actual mobile lid, which is the lid right here. So I'm just going to take a slightly darker color and just contour the crease just to give it a little bit of depth. So for that, I'm going to be using this color right here. In the palette, it's this one right here, and the color is called Marina. It's just a really nice kind of a contour brown color. So the next color I'll be using is just another slightly darker color just to emphasize the crease even more. So that color I'll be using is Seaside, which is this color next to Marina. So it's this one right here. And I'm just going to use that in the crease just to deepen it even more. So to highlight my inner corners, I'm going to be using a shade called Pearl. So it's this shade right here, and this is just a really nice shimmery pearl shade that's just going to add some light to my eyes. So for eyeliner, I'm going to be using Rimmel's new Wonder Swipe liner. So it's this one right here, and it's actually a 2-in-1 liner to shadow, so you can actually use this as an eyeshadow as well, but it works wonderfully as an eyeliner. So the color that I have is called Cool Af. So it's kind of like an electric blue color. So next for inner corner highlight, I'm going to be using a highlighter from Victoria Beckham. So it's this one right here. It's one that she collaborated with Estee Lauder called Modern Mercury. So this is what it looks like, and I have used this quite a lot. It's so beautiful. And I'm going to use that in the inner corner of my eyes and just a little bit on the lower lashes here. Next, moving on to mascara, I'm going to be using one from Tarte. So it's this one right here, and it's called their Tarte Tarteist mascara. So for foundation, I'm going to be using my Bobbi Brown Skin Foundation, and the color I have is Beige number 3. I'm also going to be using this Maybelline Strobing liquid, and the color is Deep Gold. So I'm just going to mix the two of them together so that it creates a golden base. So I'm just putting that on the back of my hand like that, and then I'm going to mix them together and put it on my skin. So the palette that I'll be using for concealing is one from Model's Own. So it's this one right here, and I'll show you what it looks like. So it has 4 concealing colors right there. And the color that I have is Natural number 2. So the concealing color I'll be using is this one right here. And I'm just going to use that in the areas I need concealing under my eyes and around my nose. And a little bit on my chin. I'm also going to be using a lighter color in the palette, which is this one right here. I'm just going to use that under my eyes as well, just to brighten even more. So to contour, I'm going to be using my Rimmel Insta Duo contour stick. So it's this one right here, and the color I have is Deep. And I'm going to be using the contouring side of this stick to contour my face. So for blush, I'm going to be using the Instant Cheek Maker from Revlin, and the color I have is Bordeaux Glow number 3. So I'm just going to be using, so that's what it looks like, and I'm just going to be using that on my cheeks. So for highlighter, I'm going to be using a liquid highlighter from NYX. So it's the Away We Glow highlighter from NYX, and the color I have is Moonbeam. So it's just a really nice kind of a rose gold color. So for powder, I'm just going to be using one from NYX. So it's this one right here, NYX Stay Matte but Not Flat Powder in Soft Beige. I'm just going to use that all over my T-zone. So next, moving on to brows. For brows, I'm going to be using this pencil here from Loreal, and it's called L'Oreal High Contour Brow Artist. So I'm going to be using this for my eyebrows, and the color I have is Cool Brunette 107. So to set my eyebrows, I'm just going to be using my Boho Brows Clear Brow Soap. So this is what it looks like, and I'm just going to use that to set my eyebrows in place. So for lips, I'm going to be using two lip products. I'm going to be using one from Tarte and one from MAC. So first I'm going to be using this Tarte lip liner, and it is called Turned Up. So the lipstick that I'll be using from MAC is this one right here, and it's called Cream Sheen Speed Dial. So it's kind of like a really pretty pink color, and it's similar to the shade that Taylor wore. So there you go, this is the finished final look inspired by Taylor Swift's iHeart Radio Awards look, her pink lips and her blue wing liner. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram, and I will see you in my next video.